What's up, YouTube? Well, I got another new vacuum, and this is actually a really awesome vacuum, too. Sit down here. Ugh. This is the Hoover Power Max 2 with the soft guard bumper. I actually found this at a thrift store a few days ago, and it was a little expensive, but yeah. I don't know how much it was. I forgot how much it was, though, but yeah. It's in pretty good shape. It's got some scratches here and there, but that's really no big deal. It's going to need a bit of a wipe down, but it's not too bad. Got some nasty stuff over here. So, found this at a thrift store a few days ago. My mom was out today and she went and got this, so luckily that's awesome. Came with all the original attachments. First of all, I'll show you the attachments here. We got a nice crevice tool here. It's a little worn out right there. Camera focus. There we go. It's got some scratches. Also has a dusting brush, which is a little worn, but does do the job though, luckily. And oh god, it's also got the upholstery attachment. Looks like it wasn't. It doesn't look like it wasn't used. It's got one scratch there. It looks like. Is that a scratch? Yeah, it is a scratch. Okay. So yeah. So I also got the extension one here. So that's that. It's also got the nice old school hose where you just take it and slide it in there. I'm not gonna do that right now, but I will do it once at the end of the video. So, also this is a bit loose, like you see there. So that's no big deal. Alright, so right here's your Hoover Power Max 2 sign on it with the soft guard bumper. It does have a nice filter right here, which I don't know if this is original to the vacuum, but pretty sure it is. So anyway, headlight is burned out on it, but I will be changing it hopefully by tomorrow. So there's the headlight lens, which I like. It's also got a nice thing for your bag, or not bag, hose, which I don't know what this is here for. So also you got your nice 4 high adjustment carpet settings. And, oh yeah, here's the cleaning facts it's got 2 of them on there. So anyway, we'll go ahead and flip it. Oh yeah. It's also got the switch up here on the handle. Go ahead and show you the brush roll. This is its original brush roller. And to be honest, I'm actually surprised that this brush roller is in good shape, because I think these things usually have bad brush rolls by now, but this one's still surprisingly pretty good. So right here, we'll go ahead and show you the model number on this thing. So here's the model number. It's a U5246-900. The serial date, this one, this might be from, I have no idea, from the early 2000s maybe. Yeah, I have no idea. If any of you guys know what year this Hoover is from, please let me know in the comments, because that would really help me. So anyway, we're going ahead and take this thing up. This thing does have a brand new bag in it. It has some dirt down here and all, but not too bad though. So it's got one of those Arm & Hammer bags on it. So anyway. So anyway, here's the nice handle lock right here. So you got your extra bag down there. Extra belt. This thing did not have no extra belt, so go ahead and release the cord. This cord is not the longest, and that's actually normal for these Hoovers to have a little bit smaller cords. I don't know to length of this cord, but if you guys can let me know in the comments. Oh yeah, here's that. So go ahead and show you this thing running. Now, I like to point out, guys, if you guys are headphone users, this thing is pretty noisy when it's running, so headphone users, be very cautious about this, because this thing is going to be loud when it's running. So, like I said, the headlights burned out, but I will be putting a new one in. So, anyway, here we go. Yeah, it agitates the carpet a little bit. It does have a little bit of smell to it. I haven't thoroughly cleaned it up yet, but probably do that somewhere around tomorrow. But so anyway, I was going to show you the tool action of this thing. The suction is really not the strongest on this old hoover, but I mean, it'll still do good and all. So turn the vacuum on. There you go, guys. There's the video of my Hoover Power Max 2 with soft guard bumper. There is a good chance that I may replace the motor on this because it is a little noisier than I suspected it would be. But, I mean, it's not bad and all. I did smell a little bit of burning a little bit. And that might have been just from the belt, because I did replace the belt on this because the original one was slipping crazy on it. That's the belt over there, so... But anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Check out my videos, my other videos. I just released some new videos yesterday while I was at Walmart. Oh, there we go. But anyway, this thing works pretty well now. So, the only thing I'm going to add to this thing now is a new headlight. I do have a headlight later on, so... But like I said, guys, I probably will be changing to maybe a video, possibly a video of this thing with a new headlight. So, anyway, guys, check out my video, subscribe, blah, 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 and goodbye.